Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we'll be doing the Nifty analysis. This is the daily chart. As you can see, the region which we marked maybe a couple of weeks ago, it's still holding, and we were expecting this might be an area where we might be finding some support, and in fact a stronger one. This big candle, this entire congestion level where there were multiple tops and bottoms. Price kept on bouncing from here, kept on rejecting from here. So this was very important level. As you can see, this was very important level in this area here. Now the price came here and it started bouncing with huge candles. The most important point is that upthrust was very momentum, with good momentum. If you see this 30-minute chart here, now this is the gap area. This was the broader area which I marked in the previous daily chart, and this is the area which you see. It looks like there have been some polarization change here. This was a sharp level where Nifty started going down, and here once this level was crossed, you see, entering into this level a glitch, and there is a sharp upside momentum. It looks like the sellers which were present here turned into buyers here. Their stops might have been got triggered, and it was with a gap up. The main point is gap up. If you see this gap up here, and again this gap up here, so these are the points which are indicating that buyers are now getting interested. At least they are getting interested. There is no point that they will be shorting, keep on shorting. Apart from that, since a special committee has been formed by Supreme Court or High Court, I don't remember that, for the Adani fiasco, the market has been reacting very positively to that news. Most of the Adani stocks have gone into upper circuits 8 to 10% if you see them. So that seems like a positive development for the entire market, and in particularly in case for the Adani stocks. So that is also helping here. That is having a cascading effect. There were multiple PSU banks which were connected to Adani fiasco, that their lenders and their money might be getting turning into NPAs. Now those banks are also moving higher. They are sensing some relax here after that news. That whatever is the cause, look, the market always wants a relaxed and calm atmosphere. This fiasco, whatever it was going, no matter if particular party is guilty or not guilty. If it is guilty, let it be proved. If it is not guilty, then also let it be proved. The Adani enterprise, for example, it wants to settle at 1500 or 1000 rupees or even lower than 1000 rupees. Once it is getting settled, the fiasco is getting past, then it will be a breather for the market. That will be getting subsided. In that case, market will be having a very relaxed move. Either direction, it can be in down direction or up direction. That's not matter. But the downside, movement looks like it is getting somewhat discounted, and we might be heading higher. So at least, what I think, as per the technical analysis, this might be a retracement into this gap zone, and from here we might be getting a full thrust going upside at least to this level. Or in fact, it won't be a level like that, it should be a level like that. So you can safely say we might be having somewhere around 200 points of move in the upside direction before some retracement or some kind of pullback is coming. So this is what the high probability looks like. Now how do we trade that? And the things are moving, we are not interested in very heavy short selling. In fact, I am already in the position with longs. So if you have not entered longs, I think you should be waiting for only this pattern. Forget everything. the line which I have drawn near this gap up, once you find price in this area and it starts giving something like this, you should start buying. This current now the situation look like a buy on dips. It will be a very small stop loss. If you get some of the price here, buy it, keep the stop loss around here. I'll tell you the levels as well. If you buy around, let's say 17,750, your stop loss will be coming around 17,725, which will be for the future chart. For shorting, I think let's see, market should make a very ferocious move to the downside, then only we will be looking for down moves. So nothing as of now for shorts. So this is the analysis of Nifty. If you are trading positionally, I suppose Nifty will futures might be heading to 18,000, 18,100 on a rough basis. So let's see how the market unfolds. Let's quickly review the stocks which we are just having. I have not added any new stock apart from KTK Bank, which is Karnataka Bank, and it does not matter how many stocks you open. As I have already told, 4 to 5 stocks. That's it. If you are trading this strategy, 4 to 5 stocks, that is max. I have also given example. If you are having 1 lakh rupees, open a one position with 20,000 or 25,000 at max, right? So this is Expelio Solutions, and we might have got entered around 1390 if I'm not wrong, and it is still not giving the stop loss. Plus, it is having the right momentum to the upside. Let's see how it goes on Monday. Next one is JBM Auto. JBM Auto, I think if you are following, you have already got the entry around 591. Stop loss will be around 555. So let's see how well it goes. Then we will be changing the move. Position stance. If you got the entry around 275 on previous day, the candle was really shaky. That's part of the game. You cannot do it, I think. So I think in that case you should still maintain the stop loss around 257. Still maintain the stop loss. Let's see if we get a momentum to the upside. Otherwise, stop loss and next stock. TD Power System. You might have got the entry around 147. It was a 8% plus move on that day, and the other day it was just a consolidation. It was not a big negative day. In fact, it did not touch the breakout level as well. So let's see. In fact, the previous high, this was retested, and I suppose that we might be getting a continuation move to the upside. So still hold that one. Karnataka Bank. Okay, this looks very interesting. It has given a breakout. Buy would have been triggered around 149 or 140.50. Now, if you analyze on the patterns basis, it has also broken this triangle pattern, and we are hoping that this will continue. Only thing to maintain here is stop loss behind every swing low. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, this is it for the current video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to, and in case you are having query, please do share in the comment section, and also do not forget to share these content into your social media platforms so that we can get the multiple attraction to of viewers here. Thanks for supporting.